Hi, hello everyone. My name is Ajit and welcome back to the channel Skill Double. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to switch in between the worksheet in a particular Excel file. So you all might know that if you click on Alt and Tab, you can switch between applications. Right now, how to switch between a worksheet in Excel is by using a shortcut, a simple shortcut that is Ctrl plus page up or page down. So likewise, you can toggle between the worksheets in a particular Excel file with ease. So I hope this particular video would be helpful for you. If it helped, then please share this video with your friends and colleagues or family, and do subscribe and like the video so that it will help my channel to grow. Thank you so much guys. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye for now. Take care.